Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to remove your front bumper off of your 2010 to 12 Ford Fusion. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel today. Hopefully this video clears things up and gives you a good understanding on how to remove your front bumper off of your Ford Fusion. The video you're about to watch is a quick project that I did on my sister's car, and unfortunately I didn't get every single thing recorded for the video like I originally hoped, so I do apologize for that. If you have any questions or you think I missed anything, go ahead and comment down below and I will answer you as soon as possible. For this project, you're going to need a socket wrench or a ratchet, a 7 and 10 millimeter socket, and a body trim removal tool. If you don't have a body trim removal tool, you can try using a butter knife or even a fork. You'll also need a 9/32 socket to remove 10 bolts that are underneath the front cover. Before you even begin, it's very important that you take pictures of everything. That way you know that everything gets returned to its original place. The first thing you want to do is locate the 6 body clips that fasten the front bumper to the front of the vehicle. Next, you'll want to remove those clips and then remove 6 10 millimeter bolts. Next, work your way to the side of the vehicle and you will find 3 body clips up in the fender liner. Remove those 3 body clips and then pull back the fender liner to expose a 7 millimeter bolt that is pointed up towards the ceiling. That bolt fastens the bumper to the vehicle. Remove that and that side of the bumper should break free. Repeat that same process to the other side. If you're struggling to remove the clips from the wheel well area, a helpful tip would be to get inside the car, turn it on, and turn the wheel to one side. This will allow easy access to the fender liner, bolts, or clips that you're trying to remove. It will give you some more space to work with. I apologize I don't have any footage for this next step. The next thing to do would be to take your 9/32 socket and your ratchet or wrench, whatever you're using, and locate the 10 bolts that sit underneath of the front cover. After you're finished removing all of those bolts, you're able to remove the front cover off of the vehicle. But make sure not to pull it off all the way because some of these Ford Fusions are equipped with fog lights, and if they are, those will have to be disconnected. You can disconnect those by turning the fog lights at the housing counterclockwise. And there you have it. You have successfully removed your front bumper off your 2010 to 12 Fusion. If you liked the video or if I missed anything, comment down below and let me know if this video helped you out. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this DNA Drives video, and I hope to see you back for another one sometime soon.